What is up, everyone? How are you doing? So yesterday we spent all day basically at the dyno and getting the JZX all set. It was a long day, but it was cool. We got a lot done. It was sick, but definitely nothing of my content. So today we're doing something pretty cool, and we're actually going to OSW to do some drifting. And Adam's outside the car just staring at me. But so to start the day off, Adam said I need to film the cold start of this thing because he said it's hilarious. So start it. Kill it.
Yeah, it'll just keep cranking until it blows the starter.
It sounds like you're talking from experience.
Yup.
Oh!
Alright, killer. Next time I'm gonna have you just fondle the gas pedal a little bit. Not like a girl that you like don't like, but like a girl that you like care a little bit about, but like not enough to like hurt her, but like too much to hurt her.
Have you met her mother yet?
Have you met her brother yet? Nah, dude, just her dad. So like keep that in mind. You don't want to like kick her too hard.
Here we go. Oh, you're a good girl. Come on, come on. Oh yeah.
Right, chill.
Oh.
It sounds like it's rod knocking. It might be.
Was I gentle enough?
No, you're fine. I feel like I'm rod knocking the engine every time I do this because it makes these weird like knocking sounds in the front. If you plan on buying this car, don't watch this video.
Is it warranted? Oh yeah, there she goes. Hell yeah. Well, if you put your Mustang on E85.
It's a good cold start, right, my guy?
Good, E85 cold. Oh. Hey.
Yeah, it's gonna drive like absolute junk if you don't let it, yeah, it sounds bad.
Sounds like a cam, bitchin' cam. So we're heading on to the shop now, get the cars ready. I'll be drifting 350Z, which is sick. Adam will be drifting the S15. He's doing some testing on the oval, and I'll be on the skid pad by myself having some fun, so. It's so pretty. Oh, he's trying to run it. I can't shift and do this at the same time. Let her eat. That's awesome. Well, Abuelito, you getting ready for me?
Yep, better not break it. Again.
All right, here we go. Come on. Get on there. There we go. All right, guys, so if you don't know this car, it is a HR 350Z, so it's like the faster, newest rendition of the 350Z, I think. And, oh, we're leaving. Shit. All right, so if you guys don't know this car, it's a 07 350Z, so it's an HR. It's like the faster rendition. It's tuned, so it's tuned with full bolt-on, so it makes like 275 horsepower. Has all the typical drift mods, hydro, steering wheel, bucket seats, bunch of crash bars and stuff, but the big thing about this car is the fact that it has WiseFab front angle kit. This is nothing more than a drift tool. This car is insane. Guys, listen how ridiculous this is. Ah, there it is. So loud. Hell yeah. All right, so Cole and I, right here, we're hogging down the 350Z today, and we got to set up a track. Adam's on the, what do they even call it? The oval track, playing with the S15, and yeah, let's see what we can come up with. Wrong lens for this, but I hope you guys can see it. So we have it set up so we can like come down, do a little manji, do the big circle, drift in on these cones, around, and we can have it tighter coming up. We're gonna try and whack this. Just wiggle out. It'll make sense in a second. Oh yeah, ready to party?
Yes, sir.
think we did a good job with the cones.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
That that exit was a little hairy.
Ass off, let's see what you've got. Smash the cone.
I got WiseFab, I can do whatever I want.
True.
You guys are too tall, I can't see over the freaking dash.
I thought I had a little bit more grip. We're good now, I think. Sorry, Adam. But we're crab walking. I think we're good. We got it. Yeah, we're out. We're gonna try and haul ass again, but not go off the track this time. A little too much fun.
I mean, either way.
Yeah, either way, like it's fun. So let her eat. Did I get it?
Yeah, you got it.
Hell yeah. I'm gonna put this on eBay. Adam just took me for a ride along in his S15. I'm like dizzy. That was, oh my God. Go on his channel and see the reaction. I hope I don't get too big of an idiot because I was losing my shit, but I'm dead up dizzy right now. That's nuts. But I'm gonna go do my little baby dance thing here in the 350Z on the track. I'm just having fun, but oh my God, I don't know how. Drifting's never gonna feel the same after that one. And just like that, time crept up on us and we kind of ran out of seat time. We only had 4 hours here today and we were doing a lot trying to get Adam's car back-to-back laps, doing some filming and stuff, but got a few laps in the Z, felt great, it was awesome time. Really wish I had someone to tan with, but that's for next time. But huge shout out to Adam for letting me beat on a Z for a few hours, and it was awesome just to be sideways. So it's a nice early season warm-up, I guess. So we're gonna go out to eat, do all that, and I guess we're going to car meet later, so hopefully there's some cool cars that we can check out. But in the meantime, let's bring her home. So it looks like Adam's taking the Chaser and I get the S13, which is sick. Love this car. Adam's had this car for probably 3 years now, and it's changed in every aspect, and the car still has the same vibe from the same day we picked it up, and it's pretty cool. But I love driving this car every time I come down, because every time I come down, something dramatic has changed, and it's definitely been a cool transformation over its lifetime. So if you guys didn't know, Adam's SR20 makes 500 horsepower, an insane amount of low-end torque, CD09 transmission. It's like the perfect setup. Every time I drive this car, my love for an SR just multiplies even more. I couldn't imagine, honestly, a better drift SR. This thing literally hits like a V8. It's nuts. It doesn't make any sense. Oh my God. The only thing that sucks is the Florida roads are so boring. Like, they're all straight. They're all just 2 lanes with a light every 3 minutes that lasts like 10 minutes. And all you can do is kind of weave around traffic and hope there's no cops around. means you get to do a lot of U-turns.
Oh, yeah,
This is what I actually came for.
Florida.
This is culture, dude.
Dude, I'm hoping Fiebre shows up for your sake, Jimmy.
I want to see some rowdy stuff. Light him up, boy! No, come on. For the tube! Light him up!
Technically, like if they disable traction control, it'll void their warranty.
Everybody's asking to vomit. Feeling at home right here. Look at this thing. This is what I'm talking about. Right here.
This guy
Yours
actually,
looks so good on the Bez Res.
he came just for you.
See, we got the Stillman Type 3s. I like your homie. Little side splitters. 2+. Oh, I didn't realize it's right-hand drive.
Yeah.
This thing's so cool.
Way cooler than yours, dude.
Oh, get out of here.
You even got a Nardi, dude.
Dude,
It's Jimmy's
this is my guy. I just need the fresh paint because mine looks bunk as hell compared to this thing.
True story, Jimmy has never washed his car because he doesn't want to see how bad his paint actually is.
That's not even a lie, yeah.
It's literally true. Jimmy's like, I refuse to wash my cars because I don't want to find scratches.
No, gonna be disappointed. Because like when it's dirty, you're like, nah, it'll clean up nice, you know?
That's how Jimmy feels about girls too.
Steph is beautiful, okay?
I
Take that back. Take it back.
Steph's not a girl. Steph is a woman.
Tell her she's pretty.
No, I love Steph.
Tell Steph she's pretty.
Steph is very pretty.
Yes, she is.
Man, dude, the Red Z needs some love. It's making me feel guilty about my car. This ground was flat as hell too. Dang, homeboy. Get your shit together. That's a lot of oil.
Oh yeah? Yeah. Hey, so if I had like permission from like a spot, what would the odds of you letting me do donuts around a cop car be? Probably none. Jimmy, did you have fun in Florida?
Yes, of course I did.
I'm glad. I tried to make fun stuff happen.
We had a blast. It was awesome. Weather was sick. We had a lot of fun stuff to do. Chase was looking tits. We had the drift today. But I think this is all we have to do now.
Meet is officially kind of over.
Yeah, dude, it's duped.
But it was a small meet.
It was fun to get out. Weather's great. Talk to some pretty cool people. See some interesting cars and, you know, just feel the vibe. But huge thank you to Adam for having me out. It's always a pleasure. I miss my friend a lot, so I need to come down a lot more. And hopefully next time I have my car. I say that every time. But
Miss Connecticut.
But yeah, you should come up there, visit your Evo, do some Evo things. You guys know. So I think we're going to end it. Next time you guys see me, I'll be in Connecticut, and we'll be going balls deep on the S14 because I need to get it ready for this Saturday so Josh could drift. So with that, we're gonna end it. So Adam.
Oh, and comment below if you want Jimmy to bring his car here. I told him bring his car down here and we'll set it up so it actually grips and like drives well.
Yeah.
So, like,
it's not an insult.
No, I know. Okay, okay.
Light him up.
Light him up. Come on, let's see some shit. Change.
Talk to me nice.
So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
And Adam.
I'm cold-hearted and broke, I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul, the vote harder to grow. I know why, hey, I know why, hey.